Well, hello, greetings and good afternoon. Yes, I'm clearly a little bit tired, and when I said that I started out to put this village, Sleepy and Buyangat, on the map, I never knew it would be this hard, and yes, it's scary for me to do some of this, but yes, I must do it. My post today is very sad and unfortunate because I'm just here to report what has just happened. I mean, it's late in the evening, just about 6:30, and I was getting ready to put my stock in when I noticed this goat that has been bitten or badly mauled by a hyena. Fortunately, the hyena has made away. This poor thing is still alive. Still alive then, though it eventually died. Fortunately, the hyena ran away. I almost cannot believe I said that because unfortunately, it might do this to another goat from my herd another time. I do not prefer to kill it, thus the turmoil I'm feeling inside relating to this matter. Could I get compensated? I do not prefer to kill it, thus the turmoil I'm feeling inside. What do you suggest for me? Help me in this dialogue on human wildlife conflict.